Hello guys, today is my birthday. Yes, bubulong ako kasi it's just 5 in the morning. And today, I'm celebrating my birthday. And yet, I have work in the morning. And then, at night, I have my classes. Supposed to be yesterday on Sunday, but my instructor moved it today because we have a collaboration with the class on Monday. Students that they have a presentation, so we said yes. So I'm gonna show you what my day will be, and at class especially because I couldn't vlog on at work. So yeah, be with me on my special day, and God bless. Again, I didn't push the start button. What are you going to try? Isaw. Isaw.
Chicken isaw and chicken steam.
Intestine.
From the previous
Ay, nabuksan na namin ate. Okay na? Okay.
She's treating us, so please mom, get a bill.
No, you pay for your inasal. Scammer. I have scammer.
I invested my time to
Wow.
come here.
Wait, what is our
What?
intestine only, right?
But we didn't find this.
There is intestine nga
I'm
eh.
disappointed. Next time you should have told me the
Ma?
size.
Yeah, I will ask Ate if
You didn't tell me the size of this chicken.
I told you the picture, right?
It's more like for a baby.
But
I'm
what?
African.
Wait,
I have to
are you? Think about the chicken. How big is the chicken? And you expect it's the intestine?
And how skinny the chicken have.
Are you crazy? You're thinking that the chicken intestine is big and the chicken is like this small?
Oh, it's not that. I was expecting a full plate because you showed me the picture from YouTube videos. It's too much rice, too much soup.
Yeah, they have.
Oh my god. They're going to bring now or later?
All together.
They're going to bring now until we have a starter.
Tanga-tanga. Demanding guest. Asha, stop using your phone.
Chicken skin is long.
But fried.
They fry. They don't fry in ingredients or what.
Oil only.
Some chicken wings. No. Chicken wings, but this one is chicken skin. Yeah, just like your skin.
Chicken skin for the wee. Oh, they have the special vinegar.
They're going to put all those things.
Yeah, we have to wait.
Serve everything at once.
They're gonna save it like, I don't know.
They just a starter or something. Wait, okay?
you pay, we pay.
Thank you, ate.
Don't pay intestine.
This is the intestine. Also, this one, you eat it with vinegar.
What's this one?
I think it's gravy.
Because the one who is
This is so good.
you want just send me what. So I'm imagining all the chicken food is inside.
No, it was clean. So, let's try.
What's that?
Oh my god, gravy. You have to try it with the vinegar. Ah, it's hot. I like this one. How was it? How was it? It's the breading. Oh, eat na.
I think they put something inside.
Ew. Hey, you don't. Ew, but you keep on eating.
Yeah, it's nice, but I don't know.
It is nice.
I'll pour some vinegar.
Wait. Yeah, put vinegar.
Guys, you should try this. It's really nice.
Call out to your African brothers and sisters.
All my African people, like if you've been throwing your chicken intestines away,
Don't throw.
clean it well
Clean
and
it
deep
first.
fry it. It's really nice. And this one is what? Skin pie.
Skin. Chicken skin only.
Salmon skin on. Salmon skin.
We are so messy.
What is this?
Okay.
You cut the hand. She should bring guys. No. I want to tell to all the viewers out there. If you cut your hand after cleaning it well, I'm sure these Philippines eat also the hand.
Yeah.
You eat?
Same like this, but barbecue.
There's no meat.
I'll show you in the YouTube.
So you don't throw the intestines, you don't throw the head,
The feet, no.
even the beak.
No. We remove that.
Remove the don't throw everything. What about the feet?
We eat that.
They eat. What about the feathers?
How can you eat that? Try.
Maybe you smoke it or something.
No. That one we have to remove.
You have to remove. But anyway, it's nice. It's always good to try new things. It's my first time and I love it.
So, a scale of 1 to 10, how was the chicken skin?
Out of
Different.
1 to 10. For this skin, is it what? Intestine? Intestine. I think I'll give it 8. I'll give it 8. And this one is 10 out of 10. It's nice. It's so crunchy.
It's like chips, right? Chips but unhealthy. How about you?
Everything is fine. Everything is 100%. It's my first time to eat chicken skin and chicken intestine. But if you die, when I don't die, whole day.
Don't blame me if you guys die, ah?
When I die, it's chicken intestine. Guys, this is Inasaw.
Inasal.
Inasaw is a grilled chicken barbecue.
Yeah.
Why is it black?
It's barbecued. What is this?
I'm black.
Ooh. Open that one.
I'm black already. I'm eating black. Oh my god. And black knife. And then
Looks
rice.
good.
And then there is some garnish.
Lemon.
I need to
Put it
squeeze
on
this
top.
of the chicken.
We are having also fried chicken.
Don't finish this food. You had me asking if we can make a refill for me for rice, right?
You know why? Her food was spilled.
I finished everything. Guys, I'm sleepy after this delicious. Once again, Inasaw,
Isaw.
Isaw, and everything.
Okay, now for my class.